I have a maytag maxima error code E01 F09. I've replaced the drain pump and cleaned the drain hose, but I still get the error. The drain motor runs when I start a normal wash, but no water is added, just the sound of the drain pump running until I get the error again.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. F09 E01 is a drain issue as you said, but if the drain pump is running and all the water is drained, you have a false error where the washer thinks it has water inside even though it doesn't. The part that senses the water level is the pressure switch. To access the pressure switch, pull the washer forward and remove the 2 or 3 screws coming in from the back of the top panel. The top panel will then pull straight back, up and off. The pressure switch is mounted to the right side wall above the tub and is the only part with several wires going to it as well as a small rubber hose. Blow through the hose and make sure it's clear and replace the switch if it's clear. If you still have problems, the only thing left is a bad main control board, and the main control board will need to be replaced to resolve the issue. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I have the top removed, but I don't find the pressure switch. Could it be somewhere else?
No, it's definitely in the back right corner against the right side wall.
Is it the right side when I'm facing the machine?
Yes. If you give me the model number, I can send you a link to the part so you can see what it looks like. The model is on a sticker just inside the doorway.
Model number MHW6000XWG. I think I sent you a picture.
That off-white and orange 4 inches circular part in the first picture, that is your pressure switch.
Okay, is there any way to test or reset it?
Other than blowing through the hose, there is no way to reset it. But unfortunately there is no way to test it because the resistance changes as you blow through it, which is why the part just needs to be replaced if the hose is clear and it still acts up. Other than that, the main control board is just not reading the switch properly, so the main board would need to be replaced.
Okay, I'll blow through the hide and try it again. If that doesn't work, I should replace the round sensor.
Correct, yes. Below is a link to the part. Click here for pressure switch. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
It's working, you are the best.
No problem, and glad I could help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.